Guys, I received a package from Shopee. So, unboxing from Shopee now. Ordered from Shopee. I ordered I ordered a vinyl to cover for my this one here, guys. To cover my couch. Nana din na siya, oh. Sana. Ganyan pala yan. Parang sandpaper. So, that one. So, I have to cover this one, guys, because see, it's ripped na siya. It's like a sticker. Kunti nga na. So, ito guys, order ko po ito from Shopee. Vinyl sticker. Kasi guys, yung couch ko guys is, ito na siya guys. Ayan, from this one, I'm gonna try to cover it with this one. So, let's see what happened. Ito na po yung ano namin, kasi yung aso namin, pusa namin, ginanon niya to, ganito na ang nangyari. So, let's cover this one. See if we can save it with this vinyl sticker that I ordered from Shopee. So, ayan na guys. Ayan na siya guys. Wala nang, hindi mo na nakita yung ano, naka-cover na po siya. At saka ito guys, oh. Ito po yung hole. At naka-cover na po ito. Yan. Tsaka ito, naka-cover na rin ito, guys. At saka dito, naka-cover na rin ito dito. Oh, diba? Naka-save tayo. Kaysa bibili na naman tayo ng bago. Yan. Okay, pero hindi siya ano, yung color niya guys is parang light brown, parang chocolate, pero kailangan talaga dapat dark kagaya nito. But it's okay. It works. It looks fine.